Okay, welcome to the Financial Wealth channel. So here is our brand new video with the brand new rental property. I'm gonna give you the tour of this new rental property we are actually adding in our portfolio. All right, so if you watch our video in the past, this is the same neighborhood here in Lehigh Valley, Pennsylvania, and it's a beautiful neighborhood. Let me give you a little glimpse of that. As you can see, nice and quiet. It's a morning time. It's about 9:30 here, and I'm actually shooting this video. So here we are inside the house. This video is about to giving the tour. We just brought this townhouse property about a week ago. We already started ripping off all the older carpet, and now we are actually installing the brand new luxury vinyl floor on the floor. You can see we already ripped off all the carpet, and now the work is gonna be begin next week. Okay, we just got the brand new washer and dryer. Actually, just got installed. Some houses normally come with the washer and dryer. Some houses they don't have it, so we have to buy it. Okay, let me kind of take you to the garage. You will see a lot of mess in the garage, as the garage area actually full of with old carpet. Okay, here you go. So we actually ripped off all the carpet from entire home, and we stack everything here. So the guy gonna come out and take everything. Okay, let me move on. Okay, so if you watch our video previously, some of our townhouses already have 3 stories, and this is one of the townhouse just exactly with the same design. When you enter, you have a kind of basement, then you go upstairs, you have a middle floor, then you have a third floor and all the bedrooms. Okay, let's move into the upstairs. As you can see, staircase, everything has been taken out, all carpet's gone, and a lot of work going on inside the house. Before we rent the place, we're gonna make sure that everything is nice and brand new looking. Okay, so here we are. This is the living room. Right here, as you can see. Let me just show you the full view of the room, so that way you can realize that how big this is, right? Okay, so this is the living room, and from the living room, you can see the deck area. It's a beautiful deck, beautiful weather outside today, nice and bright. So you can really enjoy here, do your barbecue in the summer season. Okay, moving forward, here we have our kitchen for the home. Actually, kitchen already have the nice vinyl flooring, so we're not gonna touch this. We're gonna keep this one as is, and then all our freezer, stove, dishwasher, everything is there, so nothing really need to do here, but it's ready to go. Then we have one of the powder room over here, and now we're gonna go to the third level. So you must have noticed that some of the south areas pricing on the housing started coming down, but we are here in the northeast, and the shortage of houses is still kind of continues. So it's a very challenging market. When the good home come in the market here, it's pretty much sell kind of within a week, 2 week time. I know, like last year, it was it was selling so fast. It was selling in 1 week time. Now the houses remain in the market for 2 weeks, but still the market is very competitive over here in the northeast area. So now we are on a third level. We have a 3 bedroom. The one of them, one small bedroom right here. This is like a 10 by 12. You have a second bedroom right next to it. This one is like a 10 by 10. Every bedroom has a closet, so that's a nice thing about it. Yeah, and our tenants, they love actually closet. So we also have actually 3 bathrooms in this house. We have some work going on, so maybe you can see some mess around it, but yeah, here is our bathroom, 3 total bathroom. We have 1 bathroom downstairs, 2 full bathroom upstairs. Yeah, so we just checked the 2 small bedroom, and now we are moving to the master bedroom. Here is the master bedroom. As you can see, yeah, pretty soon you will see the new flooring here. I'm also going to come up with once house get done completely, I'm going to come up with the new video. Actually, this is the closet. Let me just show you from a little far. Okay, so you can see, and the master bedroom is come with the attached full bathroom. So here is the full bathroom. Okay, here you go. Okay, so yeah, this is it for this house. But yeah, just wanted to give you some glimpse of this townhouses. This is exactly the same townhouse we kind of have previously. So nothing really new, but yeah, we just trying to make this one new by changing, putting new color, new floor, new equipment, so the tenant can be kind of attractive to tenant this property. Yeah, if I talk about some rental demand and things, yeah, the rental demand kind of gone down a little bit compared to last year. Is definitely last 2 years was very crazy. The rent went pretty high, everything kind of going through the roof. But yeah, now kind of started declining. I can see the rental rate, the property rate, right? The property sell time, yeah, everything is going a little bit down. Now the south state, as you can see, Florida, Texas, right? Some of the even Tennessee and some of these area, the inventory kind of skyrocketed, and you can see some discounting in the price already started. Here in the northeast area, definitely the inventory kind of started increasing compared to last year, but the market is still competitive. If the house is good, if it is in a good neighborhood, it's kind of selling very quickly. So let's see, in the next few months we're gonna know whether the Fed is changing the interest rate. They're talking about kind of going down 1 basis point, so we're gonna find out what exactly happening in a coming month. But yeah, the interest rate can definitely impact the entire market on the housing too. So it's gonna be very interesting in the upcoming month. Here we are outside. Yeah, it's a nice and beautiful. I'm kind of right under our deck here, and you have actually, this is a kind of a backyard. It's a nice and green backyard here. So yeah, this is our neighborhood. And yeah, don't miss my next video. I'm gonna come up with some more detail once the house is completely done with all the flooring work, painting work, and we'll show you more detail. If you are new to our channel, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe our channel. You can learn a lot actually about the real estate on this channel. Thank you. Bye.